Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to delete voice memos on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to delete voice memos on iPhone, all you need to do is go ahead and open the voice memos app. Then locate and click on all recordings. Now select the voice memo you want to delete here by clicking on the edit button at the top right. Then select the voice memo. And then click on the trash button at the bottom right. Then you are good. Hit the back button. Then you should see the voice memo added to your recently deleted. And then you can permanently delete all these voice memos by clicking on the edit button at top right. Then click on delete all and then select delete forever. That is it. So that's exactly how to delete voice memos on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.